Liv, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making one of my new favorite cookie recipes. As you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, I really like cookies. And we have a fall themed cookie today, which is a pumpkin snickerdoodle. So if you don't know what a snickerdoodle is, it is basically like a sugar cookie that also has cinnamon. So it's like a cinnamon sugar cookie and it's rolled in the cinnamon sugar. So it kind of has like a crunchy, crackly outside and then like a really soft, chewy cookie center. And today we are also adding pumpkin into the mix. Like I showed before, this is the pumpkin that I use. It is canned pureed pumpkin. But that is everything I have to say for now. I am so excited for you guys to have this recipe. So let's get into it. These cookies are super simple, so start off by combining brown sugar, vegan butter or coconut oil, and pumpkin puree, and then you can just mix that by hand or with an electric mixer until it is nice and smooth. Then you can add your non-dairy milk. I choose almond milk, and the vanilla, and again just mix that until it is nice and smooth and pretty much all combined. In a separate bowl, you want to combine the flour, baking powder, and baking soda and whisk that together so that you distribute the baking powder and baking soda throughout the flour. And then you just want to pour that in a little bit at a time and mix it until it forms a dough. Then on a plate or in a shallow dish, you can add some cane sugar and some cinnamon and stir that together, and then you can start forming cookie dough balls with your hands and then just rolling them in the cinnamon sugar mix before putting them onto a cookie sheet. The dough is a little bit softer, so just be aware of that. If you want it to firm up, you could put it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours and then it would be a little bit easier to roll, but I just kind of did the best I could. They weren't perfect balls, but that's okay, and they still turned out really good, as you can see. So then just bake them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes and let them cool for a few minutes before putting them on a cooling rack, and then you are ready to serve. These honestly are so good. If you like cinnamon and you like pumpkin, you should definitely try these pumpkin snickerdoodles. Like I said at the beginning, they're nice and soft and chewy on the inside, but the outside, because of the sugar, let's see if you can hear. The outside is like crispy and crackly from the sugar. They're so good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please, 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 if you make these, take some photos and tag me on Instagram at itslivb, or you can send them to me on Twitter. I am also at itslivb on Twitter. I absolutely love these cookies, and I hope you guys do too. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate and love all of you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.